Here's a few clips that I took over the weekend of our wonderful weekend in the hills for CELT skills at Seawater Centre. Look us up at CELT.net and see what we do, and you come and get involved. It's just wonderful, magical. We had the most magical weekend. Absolutely magical. I can't say enough. Just watch the clips. Pictures tell 1,000 words, as they say. See you there.
Thing is with this, yeah, don't tree. I'm off don't tree. I'm a hang don't tree. Don't tree can't put a chest off. Hang don't tree.
Really good. I'm going to have a
Is the sexiest apple presser in the world. Wow, look at this.
We're not going home. Yeah, we're all staying. We live here now. And Laura's staying forever. With it like that. Just watch when you press down with your thumb. Yeah. I do it every time.
Wow, look at that. Oh,